all. Let's start with that first question. The understanding, or as reported by the Business Day, that you are in the late stages of your investigations. Should the South African public expect you to make arrests soon?
Indeed, Collie, we can confirm that we are at an advanced stage into the investigation around the said company, and we are hoping and expecting that we will be able to make arrests very soon.
And you're saying that you are investigating the company. Do we assume that company to be Digital Vibes?
Indeed, the company that we're investigating is Digital Vibes, although we cannot mention at this stage people or the person of interest in this matter, but we can confirm that the said company is the one that we are currently investigating.
All right. I'm going to be very forthright and ask the question whether you are also pursuing the former Health Minister, Dr. Zweli Mkhize.
Unfortunately, as I already mentioned, Holly, we cannot say at this stage who we are pursuing or the people who are involved at this stage up until the investigation has been wrapped up and the warrant of arrest has been issued.
Have you at least questioned the former Health Minister?
I cannot confirm that as well, but we've questioned a number of people who we believe are involved in this matter.
All right. You cannot mention specific names. Have you questioned members of the Mkhize family, apart from the minister himself?
I cannot confirm that as well, Goli. That is part of our investigation. But as I indicated, we have already interviewed and questioned a number of people, and we believe that very soon we'll be making arrests.
Okay, so let me try and ask you this then. What is the main thrust of your investigations? In other words, once you start making the arrests, if indeed you are, what charges are likely to be preferred against the people that you have been investigating?
We are looking into charging the people with fraud, corruption, the contravention of PFMA, as well as money laundering.
And how far advanced are your investigations?
They are very at an advanced stage. We are satisfied at this stage with our investigation. As indicated, we are just tying up a few loose ends and together with the prosecution, because we know that our investigation are prosecution guided. We believe that we will be making a breakthrough very soon.
Are there certain people that you are looking to take into the witness protection program, for example, perhaps fearing that their lives could be in danger?
At this stage, no, we do not have such people, but all our witnesses are currently secured, and we know that they are very well protected. Hence, we cannot mention who are investigating and who are the people involved in this matter.
All right. So, as I let you go, I don't want to give up too easily here. Can I ask the question, just how soon do you think that South Africans might see arrests in this matter? Is it a matter of weeks, a matter of months?
We don't want to jinx it, Polly, and say exactly when. You remember that this is a matter that is of a public interest, and there are serious allegations involved in this matter. So we're putting all our efforts into it, but again, we don't want to put pressure on ourselves, because we want to make sure that as soon as we've collected all the evidence, it will be enough to make sure that the case stands at court. So we don't want to put pressure and say maybe next week or maybe next month we'll maybe making arrests, but we are hoping that very soon we'll be making arrests, because indeed we have done a lot and our investigation is at an advanced stage.
Hawks spokesperson Nomthandazo Mbambo, let me thank you very much for your time, ma'am. All right.